Hi guys, welcome back to the Black Couch Diaries episode 23. I think 23. Yeah. Firstly, would like to apologize for not dropping last week.
Hey guys.
A lot happened.
We just having a rough week.
Yeah, we had a crazy week.
So, but then we're here now.
Oh, sorry.
No, Father. Yeah. Oh, also, guys, we have a female producer behind the.
Why did you do that? Sorry, no, choose the Jamuva. You don't like I bet the car so straight.
Guys, over internship, over international traumas.
Yeah.
So I'll be there never.
Chikomana, or go to the fact checker. Yeah,
I'm the only guy in the studio now.
Yes, honey.
2:1.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So, it was a rough one.
Yeah.
The past 2 weeks, that's Kobu, Maraya. As far as I'm surrounding to share our right. So now we officially back.
We are back, and because I promise about it will never happen again. But
remember last week what I copied
because I feel like now you are closer. You closer, and then go to you close.
Take it to you. Remember
because the writers can you hear me? Okay, sorry about last week. Okay, not last week, week before last. Yeah.
Of which now, and then also the guests that's a drop because not that we don't have enough guests. Like we have so many people wanna be short. Just that chipping at it.
And this year we are seeing flames, eh?
Yeah. There's that part in there. And then it was after June, maybe it was just smooth. I'm just assuming. So on someone quote.
Unless I don't want to volunteer,
do you know what the best thing was? Yeah, that could work also. The best thing was shooting Venda. Because we are this year to shoot any guest. Zonzo shoot last year. No.
So Nikori, the best thing was okay, yes, I get it.
This was like in terms of guests.
Yeah.
If you now then as much as there's a lot of work to do, I'm just like we're just shooting the diaries and that's it. We're good. So anyways, welcome to another episode like she said, and then I will finish producer. We have a producer and
Ghost Lady.
And Ghost Lady in the chief in lunch had the BJ. This is MPUA. Everything like I mean. And then the team podcast and chill. What did you think of that thing MacG
runner for
parliament?
I think it's okay, man. I don't see anything wrong with it. Because I could run for presidency and does it mean what you call over like his own political party or whatever?
In some way, that's a political party in podcast and chill.
Pagama chillers.
Especially Fiki. So I feel like this is I
don't think he'll end up running unless I run so Eugene. I don't think MacG is not. He did say he can't do it.
No, he's saying it now. Up until you know a salary to a parliament. Do you know how much those people are getting paid?
How much?
1 point something meter. And
just to be
not to India ANC like what I'm supposed to run as 3 point something. Yeah, we really need a fact checker. Mara, I think I've seen this other thing. EFFH Jana Parliament they were told to also they're so happy, was win or win. And then this other guy like brought a whole spreadsheet and spokesperson or EFF or whatever 3.6 million. Or whatever guy million. I'm like, damn.
That's good money.
So Eugene cause already, I'm sure MacG just take the 50% and give the other 50 to the podcast and chill. And then
I donate.
He's so good with that.
Yeah.
I love him.
That's what I love about him, eh?
And then the only thing
because he could actually did that. Actually he lets members. Like he doesn't owe us anything. And then I'm saying maybe Akorupa he's lying or they made how much. Still you get what I'm saying? Exactly. Still over 50. In visa 50. That's a lot to someone you don't know for what. I mean, he worked for that podcast. He's been working. Yeah.
I started this thing. This I had to buy this thing myself.
Yeah.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying.
Yeah, the way Nyangayoti.
Yeah. Remember even the black coffee thing? Oh, Jisha did and it was donated.
Yeah, I think it was donated elsewhere.
Yeah.
So yeah, that guy any chambula.
Yeah, you come on.
The sponge. Hey, no, it and
anyway, now chillus punch is not alcoholic.
No.
Why would MacG own a juice?
I don't know.
Come on, bro. Like, what makes you think the juice? Not what a color.
Yeah, like it's don't one of us go cry too. Like it's so like
cry in the cycle.
Stop crying.
Cry in the
cry in the second. But here's the thing, that was I was like, there's a point in ending Arani Kwamba Venda. Now I'm going to tell me like you call. There's a high chance in those instead of saying color in the secondary, cry in the secondary.
Okay, wait, I mean, for what?
Cry there.
Ay, guys, no, man.
But
I'm not asking credits of Venda page.
Not Bamino. Venda, like.
Like Sandy Ibe Kereke or something.
And it's easy. Okay.
Mara, okay, let's go back to Riza Quadrumbers of Venda page. Do you understand that if you sit down and think of the words? Like, no, man, that thing was not. Hey.
In as much as Nachitan,
also, Rarop accent.
Accent is going on. But then there's a thing in a chief of oh, hey, minimum on the tafura, what. In as much as you quote, but what you told them also eat last. I
know, right? But okay, yeah, whatever. Mara still, Rarkademangachillas punch. I want to try it. How much is a 6? Did you be like a break? You
6 hours. Don't watch it. Then I was like, no. You don't have juice, did you? That is my mother go deep. I'm like, wait, no. No, wait, because this is alcohol.
Yes, she buy no ring. Okay, no ring a guy. I'm getting a top.
Pick and pay.
Oh.
I'm not my shop. Pick and pay, sir. I was like, wait.
Marausically can.
No, what's no feel or what? Pick and pay is just. I'm like, buy again.
I see you.
They check. I'm sure. I think it's 120.
Now I'll try it out.
Yeah, Mara, you need deeper. The juice. You know, lemon twist. No, lemon twist. They like orange. Granadilla.
Oof, then that must be nice.
It's really nice.
Mara, jingani that home. Jingani furis.
Man, you ring this. The determining as in Island.
Tanumpa.
Hey. Oh, somewhat.
You're in for number 120. You are no bless somebody.
No, Vicente. Ombidi.
So Nikonzima, you will get 600. You will get 800.
Then I had to go 8. Don't worry, man.
Whatever.
Don't tell me into half is those veil if you do ever.
I've been getting an age on the one.
Just want to post that.
Oh, he ain't good.
If I have time. If I have time, I'll come. Even if I have time, I wouldn't have come.
Why?
Yeah.
Daphanga no nyor mat something or no matomon narmia ye matomon. Okay, I get it.
And I want often to do what might have ngoda, right?
Yeah. We didn't talk about it.
Hey, well, if I was
Zimbabwe. Yeah. Overstatement.
Oh yeah, and she was chef is about Cambore. The overstatement to
yeah.
No, but you go pull that. Yeah, so anyway, guys. Oh, I think I was another night, actually. I just thinking go already. I will have to sponsor Shashuba or massage if you go to
Venda. No matter what, I'm going to rent it into. Like, can't I take someone there? They want like a good discount or something because we're sponsor. Please.
I'll talk to them for you.
Yeah.
A friend.
Yeah, family, friend.
Wait, you go someone in Navani Songoya.
Nendid again, not they send
me. Arasamoya, River Being a junior, Corona, shoot hand, Michael Tangapasi, like you to Charagosham. Camera do so when it's at all.
Oh, you go Pararuhama.
It's not like these people don't know.
No matter if you say John Guamba, I want to be quiet.
Yeah. That was somebody do prolong. Remember, it's like sponsorship. So, so the first hour for Amba, like, so, what when we are Tombo Mangana.
You are
something like
so
that.
dumb, bro.
So guys, yeah, we're still sponsored by ND Wellness Studio. I got Wellness Center. I don't know why. So yeah, you can-
wellness center.
So like I said last week or the week before last, they open Monday to Thursday 9 to 6, and then Friday to Saturday bavaranga 7. Wait, what funanga urini? And then Sunday umadzinga chitopedza kufunza nyaya vani fara nyana. Then yeah.
Guys.
Yeah, I also
Ni just come shimoni grumpy.
And all that ones that are cool. That's why I'm saying.
Eh, ba Christy, na ini no kwata shem. No kwata. You're just an angry child.
So you can contact them on 083-462-9260 or info@ndwellnessstudio.coza.
.coza. Last week to know generisa.
.coza.
It's okay.
ZA. Hey, hi. And then www.ndwellnessstudio.coza as well. And then Instagram ndwellnessstudio. And then Wawana Drive Line Auto Parts Center opposite Tango Town Hall. So yeah, I never on din. Anyways, Nishapo, I didn't even greet you.
I am exhausted, bruh.
Why? Long week.
Yeah, long
life.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm just tired. I'd go away.
Why?
I just have a lot to do, and yeah, I think so. And I'm saying so and I had stuff to do, so I haven't rested really.
Oh, we shoot on a Sunday, guys.
Oh yeah, we shoot on Sunday.
So like that's how much exhausted we are, kind of.
Yeah,
so
we couldn't even do it. Bukatia begi.
So we weekend ya drop away na wana zvino so on Friday. Na beni boni wanga Friday, udari chamba so Friday, ni beni correlate araru do time nga Saturday. Imagine go bona nga Sunday.
Ni mbudzi.
After near the very guy.
So reka di drop a Friday. We just shoot.
Yeah, Friday. Shooting near the do bona just.
Arina choice. Je fan, eh? Because jo shoot have got guys rengas the way. Hi. Never. And
but then it's funny how none because you're on Instagram. I was thinking of you today. You said no, but then you are the one doing it on Instagram.
I didn't say anything on Instagram. Like memes.
Not memes. You saying or Fistos at this Shkaftin. I was like, oh nice. Hopefully this Shkaftin ayani.
Oh, go live. Oh, people never know what we're talking about there. So they are okay. I bet that stays forever. So it's like yo.
Look at that. This past weeks, there's a lot that happened. No one knows something. Ambani.
No.
There's a rich guy in India. I think he's the richest in India. So when I wait a pre-wedding, pre-wedding actually. Not pre-wedding.
Yeah, ne.
Was far. Abo was as before.
Oh.
When I was far.
Was far. Oh, memorable. All right, that's good.
Yeah, so all I wanna so he's also rich. If you Anant.
Okay.
Ambani. So it's worth 40 billion. That is net worth dollars. So chitanga no close as for 700 billion. Hey, 700 billion again.
Hey man.
That's how rich someone is out there. So all I'm doing at a pre-wedding party. There were likes of Mark Zuckerberg, Rihanna. Rihanna was called to perform for $9 million. Just was gonna perform.
The pre.
Hopefully the wedding is in June.
Somebody wedding with David.
That's the thing. Like Mark Zuckerberg was there for a pre-wedding.
Bro.
And then
money is nice, man.
Then a boy, wait a minute.
Wait.
It was also called, you see? Apparently so. $5 million just because of he hung out in Dambanj. Like, dude, just for like 2 days or 1 night.
I
think Rihanna doesn't have. Yeah, Mara, I'm sure the woods on the condition for okay. Maybe of the first song track because I saw this other video too. I was on track and then this other Indian leader was looking at it like then I thought the weather, this is my lifestyle. Whenever I dance into the ass, then she was like, hey, no.
comes with a whole lot of what able to perform it and they want too much or bangata bird wana party ni mtanga ya dash where we are like also I mean yes you have money but people still have things they prefer. What if asakona performance ngoda Brena
then I'm the performance South Africa nepa ato cancel a show.
Damn.
Like that's
And as go that's the region I was like
$5 million. Then perform like you can smoke that thing maybe say ni chitotsa
comes ba kudumucheka no mucheka.
Don't think they would do that.
You don't think?
No, even if they does drag afi then perform for like $1 million. I bet you dange no South Africa. It's close to like okay.
You know dombra are in ko yisa dombra so ichi Nigeria ko ga
billion.
Rama billion. Burn $1 billion like it would be so naira then that this is not of natural divide.
I don't know man. So now I was thinking to myself, is he trying to prove a point or I'm not gonna do this for the money. I do.
You know West African men bana ego. Like their ego is
you should know.
Yeah, I'm telling you. It's huge. It's bad. Especially Nigerians. They don't just take anything. Mana pride, mana ego. Yeah, boy, ego is which is why you'd find if a person is dating like a Nigerian guy, although would have no, you can't dress like this, you can't do this, you can't go to places like this, you can't. Yeah, vana ego. So it doesn't matter how much is put on the table. Understand? In Kaiwa we do
just the way no way.
Oh, changa ukuri. Anga do zidi chambanje. Totally. Did you enjoy it?
Nana mangaila. So I'm like, and then also too, look at how rich is that guy? Then I got 1 hour. He was wearing a watch in a MacG big, a billionaire. Or I want a hela watch, and I'm from Makazawa. Like MacG beginning of Makazawa, they saw a watch, Anant and his wife as well. They're like, huh? So I'm like, wait, if MacG bigger kuno realize I want to watch ya mutu, ne jambo na do Venda.
I can't na sita chungura ngai divi.
Oh, there's that.
Yeah.
That's what he said. Nah.
Is it raining?
Nah.
It is.
Lichigwena, jono Rio.
Chwira.
MT. Guys, that's over MT ugo record ngapha ne record ngapha. Uthi bathu bajane zori no MT wa record ngapha no ne record. So Blueprint Studios guys also so nisha go record ngeno. Always contact me and then the number na but I don't have the discount.
Then ninga ditry MT yako join.
Try MT oitand or Rio amara.
Asinibone.
Ndio ya kurumisa.
Chejene jiro tikiwa. Jesha. Like, he looked like he wanted to say something.
At first I saw him too. I didn't realize
he couldn't even walk, bro. He's like, yeah. I'm like, damn.
I've stood out.
I'm sure no gumain for him. And I could record.
Never know. Comes to go to the big album iTuber.
Can I honor upcoming?
Could I was a Venda.
Bora. I reckon stupid near Bora.
Oh, and the last year, there's other girl one texted I like I really want the blackout. Yeah, I'm a gambling. Do you gamble?
No.
Why not?
I don't know how to.
So if you had a mentor, you would.
Yeah.
So this girl on Tinder, let me just read the DM.
Hello, trading in the Rurai.
Wait, when I was an addict to gambling, I lost around 350k. Ndingatakaira urini kwame nga nizukwame ka podcast or you can give me a call ramba nga hazo. I nearly killed myself or ndando the jenisa ka machonise vunji ya generation yashiko pira zvitoni zvaso mara comeback ya bala nga ndingatakarira nichiamba ngazvo. Okay,
that's a good guest. That's a good guest. You could actually talk to her about it.
Kofuna pala mwashiko to Mudau urave good guest name.
Ari kuita zva glue up. Kudayamba staratani yangi yarotakarisa. But it is a very tricky one. I've never also tituibona ndaroita mangori. I told you guys it's raining.
It's raining. Ask around. You can just text while you're talking. Is it raining outside, bro? Who's on Fistos? Producer. Oh, I know. Differ. Oh, the Peter. Yeah. So, you were still saying Gantu. I'm going to multitask.
No, don't put the one on my message. Yeah.
Yeah. Go. Ungapa. Why Fistos about last week? Yeah, I'm not going to give me it.
Then. Ndikaendichi offer like iyanchuisa ndichibona because the one that rinero idiva chibona ndiya corona, right? And that shit is scary, bro.
Yeah,
like zvike guruzula zvino zvazvili nikuzumbura lendo rodzura raula leli thanga nikuro mona umntu ukobayelo fema.
This other time
and it's old people, bro. Like vake guru vavothoma ngamini ngamchaini vakona ula mchini vakona nokona kana vakuzoliwa phela do they even know how to use it?
Not in China ini. Nazo zvenda ichizvipfanga nge
kale zvipfipfu mchaini like I don't know nachivatwa kundolora mini zvamba ndinombore pyopi stuff like that.
So last day exits azakuma
kinda
yeah, so ndakuzombola zore remember that time re corona like usiku mamuna like vana zvipana zvituku
vana vatuku bva vake guru
ndando zoro ndi mutu mudhi
and ichivarwa badhavedhera ngafela zviduru
ndini kola mutu usuko
mukeguru namwenda and ari kwamba vakeguru vane like ndivaura nyana kamso kana va modern mukeguru wapuma and I'm like this is bad. So I've never really seen it that I want to do this.
Hey, gambling is just something else, and I feel like at the corona paperiwa like udzira hoda ativenda corona ti naskanda wana hapala niti kupira
as upaperiwa mungana like it's been that thing has been running for years, so asuru paperiwa it has been going on for so long. I feel like I've been a corona, everything else is dead. What was that casino?
Yeah,
I mean ni the corona koidan maria those lios go dipenya ka rola mina wings ribs
chambu
rola ribs
what for down na ya
okay mara order ribs njiji design
not order njiji
no mara 500 gram
na chito 500 gram yo ula
okay house na dzingwe
you like mianga ndava diela
ngiro kuzele gala load play to me
na kene mavunga watu
marai ini roba lola milikota mapizza and chips live idore I hate it to call it
lari ekibiri
zero that's all it was so
and that's ndihano have
oh ino ndi was ndiwato liwona tiliko yamba
okay wapo doko na ribs must go na mtu doko ibi and then what's your take on that thing in your no vana mutu ti how do you regulate and then I stay in your budget ndito mbudza kana ne I should do as I please kana nane ndito banantu
arari okay let's say ndobva na inini mtu kana so ndilo thoma ri kubva rothe
okay apala ni house na film mtu apala ra Robert
oh ni kwamba zvondonga zvila
situation yeah
I guess zviva kuri muthu anokobhadhira nyamudhivana ini yadhiva chikwama chaweda then you order according to that.
So
also you don't go overboard. You can't now say you want, you know, to zvinhu amara tiliga
little goya little za jebeke
that's
no I feel like yeah man I always feel like if no vana mutu ti ani adira nchibusare munane are inconvinced and you don't love guy cause ne those kind of that
that's when go zvibana ko rodola ni sahani, you know.
And also na balatu bani uwafana rati nina standard chance then dilela madindi but end up vanine I want to make sure or ndizonga dwana zvangu that and una mtu vada kuto order zofia if ko bana do gibeki kaiwe one ya
ebe yothanya ndivule kamachelo.
So
but I don't know. I guess every time I didn't go vana mtu zakubhadhira and then ndi kuumbrela the next person. I don't think ndono end up oh no rono zvita kuti ndina mdaro ya rauda zvodhura rota ngakolezvi lamara
no vizwa mtu
ya raro visiwa rakuitwa basoncha phone yaona vatu vane rido vaitora basoncha ambana ri
I'm sure not vane like one ro mrapura asoncha
yona genge nito yumbere chire advance of vamba naye nda I don't even copy names okay naro una vatu vane tobambere chire advance amba naye disharp
yeah
so ezlo ro zvitanga kole but on a normal day normal circumstances I wouldn't do that
ne gambling it. Let me go back to it.
Better bet.
Better bet. Unaenda rojena. Mune.
Unaita me.
Avi. Remember chinoko trend about the film aviator. chitanga kueroplane nyana kuita chelede yako gonya wapupa if that cash out jama chede neliwa
atikudhi
so nangu the dorenda ngararko was it a while back start to do me kila chitu ndara chini ndingaita chelede abene ndiye kuredzera ndarumkona kambi 50 rand
zvedu achede mukona
ako urikupata mixtape raka yakacherede everybody as a producer so aba 50 rand avene nampori pingisana mpari royal yatenda chirede
awana mkai
yako masi tirana viropanga 50-50 yatanga yero masi 70-80 something and then the royal trial 40 something yeah that's a hey abezino game lejo idinapo yani rwa you wanna prove a point or ndinga umena mrao if we have villa chopo vakatu now you're going to be like chika 1.9 then the cash out and it as well natakuwa nyanga kwa na rocha na wanishuka 100 rand I mean that's from 50 so don't it 100% I'm the fu ko de ko ko to and then ndiyabona ne gambling ne ngasikona ndithi kaba ngathi ndini yesi hanga like bidake ko about 50 rand yetu like what could I have done that ndo ngabiki make swing
I literally kone
but then robe red and track gambler lakuna 7000 ana yimi scam keji cha bola also am cha chiko tre odi chimbula ti na ino ita ti
ana mean
ona ngati ko chimrechiri nimpa or 4000 7000 3000 ajena becha couple platforms zosika 4 so is a given which they need obuya kana timu inoko becha yaliwa because uzibecha into ziko opposana couple platforms zafana right wina but chelede la so abompo aba ekutwa 7000
really simurubudza
give that guy 33% yawe nenda sala na 66% ya profit like okay so nice la so rashitwanga platform I think tanga bana greed zvino nerino towazi aricho kaza chema tizirona che afunye chinza platforms zosvika kuma 80 ropa jova doko ruiwa nampo mochila chede acho mosona bode chava la chikoloni
aricho chikolo
obdivati
nemana ndo bienda tantu nikusumbelo zo WhatsApp stock fail
this was pyramid scheme
That is
utambira na stock fail chede
so what happens is even ilist ya vatu so ndingati ekdakas group yo ndadingwaro number 1 ndatanga number 2 mkona number 3 so iti yotuma mabadela nne so uri nne ndibadeliwe ujoina ni joina ngacherede uri nne ndibadeliwe uti wobvisa ini wobvisa woyu habvisa muwarenga mra so the more people you get ubadeliwa nne ndiziduru zvanga nne let's say maybe kuti wobvelo 1000 nne yasvika 1000 zvamudi watuva 200 each ndabva ndatsanga ndayanga pasi
niabva
no ndabva kauva number 1 uri udeini number 1 then ribadire ini zvino ndichitokofera
aona chila chachisaitira
zvino ndatoma zvavo ma4 nditef ndatoma zva4 ka WhatsApp ndainvite abantu ndari number 1 4 group chats ndadivasiti ndikutodzira rumuni ndatoma zva4 ari mwana mumwe kabvisa tutu ichitodire ichijana amene chances dzori chigume ka vatu vana dzihai bad uri sichaona mtu wa 5 uri ni join because a lot of people were doing it so vatu vaona join tru zvinji so I knew uri by the time chitwa chedi yangu ndo noila vatu vaina na msindi chanda va block ka WhatsApp nda threaten va mfone wa roko dana mapolisa ndo ile vasonga mpengero wa dana mapolisa and I make sure you don't know where I stay so it's just a thingy so guys anything to make money just not gambling my issue was not gambling
but then in as much as you go fee anything to make money just not gambling I feel like what ngona sunonga lotto like ngona nomala zore lotto aichato fi gambling like we just taking
chances and gambling is taking chances
until you badera 5 rand every day comes zezo like and then also ngadinya go increase the chance na around is 5 rand zama 10 so in the 50 rand every day so
it is a lot
but how do you get to lose 350k na naka umachoni ise
it's fine out when you lose ka profit it's the same thing sushti na budzofi una there's a dark cloud kumdinwa nirikutihera cleanser
wanangu video ka
arabena beno na hatai
funa bwa hapo ufika account kana ufika bwa afika disa yote choncha ibona na ipe the video mara I think basically the comments abule ndako fe chela chedi kudomitisa zvivi so chede kabise isa tuita zvivi I was like, yes,
inomukakisa.
Hey, inomukakisa utendo lwabo.
Oh my gosh.
So yeah, and then nkambe gambling tea. So guys, please, tani unazi gambling board now, and then unela zino zambu fe watu wanozoko gambler, nsongonya ku gambler nga mbiti. Ndo ita 200k, I can still make.
Mara, you can't stop that. That's the thing. So I would advise Urbat Wasitoma at all because money comes with greed. Ndaita 200, I want 300.
And you think people will ever stop gambling?
Abaye ndikutombreda pano kunyo kutoma. Sanne so to toma. I've never in my life. So if I want to go in,
no becha na Betway. Ndaluza I think 25 rand. Zwambalo ndasenda na Betway message. Ndizo super ndiko back class here. Cause last time this was the odds. Just go for Betway. I know what's up number Betway. And I'm like,
no, this don't know. There was an artist message. Hi, Mamla. Hi.
No, I don't have it. All the door one.
I'm very disappointed.
No, what? Now sort of face the odds. Like I'm like, okay, look at 10 rand.
Hey, I got my friend. Jamuri inali wa 300 and ngaro yana na after fees.
You go 11 rand instead of Chano mla scenario mara like I remember you got my DM a bit way. This a number of that. Now block like na block or like to I don't know. Actually, this is not my thing. Hey, ne, bedange about you lose actually doing
Ish, no, nothing has gone.
Hey, nothing
has better, guys.
Like, cool.
And we end up with Zitando Chaya Mara and that kind of see one.
Mara guys, so what end up much you say? Okay. If not trauma, then it's unpanned. If you go
as you addictive to parenting as regular.
And how much you say by Arwa?
Urami?
Ah, it's already budget devil. I'm doing 350k.
No, the danger look original. Archer shoots and no one do kukumono.
The Blackout audio podcast.
The audio podcast.
So let's go back to podcast.
Did you bear guys? So I just that maybe win the. But I guess circumstances yet or what was she gay up with way.
Not what we in Shamba, not your friend. Now, just last year, I guy because now I feel like Jane it. Piece of it.
Tindi chambo for me.
When 98 million, then you're like, wait, what if we not win? Say, I'm going to go to Moot and Uri Chanyan, not for Moon 90. Now you're like, hey, let me go big. So now what's your one?
No, guys, hey, the Chinese just. Can we not? Can we not?
Hi, next, do you believe in zodiac signs?
In what?
Zodiac signs, rather the star sign.
Aye.
That's not because we're born, I'm like,
isn't that thing like satanic?
Apparently it is.
It has to be because if it's not for God, who should believe on Kanyimu?
Guys, what makes it not for God?
Because it doesn't make sense. Like,
and that's the most thing that's
it's
the thing
so
that
stupid, bro.
It makes more sense. Not to check us out the last.
Why?
Not check the descriptions are on it. Like in what in
October me Libra.
Libra, I need to check it. Those things make sense. Like I get it, okay.
Ne benindia niya wanadzingwe. Tizingwe tizi dibayanga ya Libra.
K Libra, tell me if it defines you, large social circle. Still don't get lost in the crowd though. Is also describing it.
Yeah, it does.
Mara,
first, okay, let me tell you. Large social circle, whatever. I have an aunt who was 1 October. Any hassle.
1 October, do you mean?
It's still Libra.
Oh, yeah.
So that's what I'm saying, guys. Like, never been in the Instagram. And that comes here about your cancer or whatever. Ndabandu sungobali la patia.
But why cancer? They have the high chance you want. Like Zokum. Like what would that be?
But it's cool. So what I'm saying is, and they are bana kana yuri una went manga p female.
Peace case kana.
Yeah. Vafuna doing one. So they
February 19 to March 20.
They write that and then ngapanda ndabona whatever. Nenda relator to ezilo zirenga panda. Ndichibonye ngwe repost and oh flip no. Ikhamba nga so do you understand? For me it doesn't make sense. Jitonga like okay, like I'm telling you ndiko relate okay yena ibara. Mara ajamuru mtu azifo uko do relate.
At the 4th October.
Yes, and zvinongori okay ndengo ndi October. I know what's 1, I know what's 2, I know what's 3. Ndina vanji vane ndinganivaira vane va around that, and they are not. They are introverts. They are not social at all.
Most of the time, nandichicheka see. I don't feel na birthday yenyu. I'm like,
habe ayo nto inga
the star sign child.
Yeah.
That time I check out the descriptions. I'm like, oh okay, to make sure and then check it ya yanga nemu.
No icheka to niyamba.
Ntinde we scroll ndakayo. How was I doing at home? Aquarius, so it's like Jan 20 to February 18th. So very innovative and creative.
No.
And then Jan 20 to February 18th.
To February 18th. Muraundi was 23 and she's not like that. Jen.
I mean, I creative.
She's innovative. No, she's what?
Innovative.
Yeah, okay, I guess. But then everyone is innovative ka something. Then if we're gonna take it, everyone is creative ka chimwe chitu. Don't you think?
But then there's
no, there's ashkona say guys. Auna mtu ane akoniita chitu totally. There's no way.
Mariano dagulu.
No, guys, kana upembe majuru. Like I'm just saying because I can't do it.
Yeah.
Marona mtu ane ngamona kuskuraira askurumwa nulumiwa. That thing is
shameless. Do you think I'm shameless? What's being shameless?
Ndo papa.
Shameless ndita ndo sashona. On kamba zo sashona ndatanga watu kana Friday.
Unashona?
Last week. Very ndibone bantu. Bendormi. I told you the story. Ore arandan kufuza mtu kana ndibone ba black house yamako. Hanedzela we mapala pan. Because I was presenting this other thing. Then all I can is that I'm trying to vets out the pengo. I'm like somebody but area panakana akona
mabari
so
it was not a degree
like that just ring into my mind.
It was wow.
I'm like then I'm going at least not that so which is that one then they are shona and now I'm reports the west ninga don't go need fan them like
why be over to ni ambesa ka social media nishishona so
it doesn't make sense and
Ntambe is worse no mwana Ntambe bathu nini
Ntambe yamba ngazo also
inini queen worse
like a lot of as make sense umntu onobala so why is unafuna ushikazi
Ntambe mere futhi izilotho zine abakhamba awuna mntu onombule yoyo murwa is lost to no mbona Ntambe ka Facebook uruba kuita nini like urara mntu onomfore mntu like mara ashona like it's bad we were why ni so that like I don't get it
nane doesn't mean
ni papela bathu hapa mara zvini yanginda
ndevela ndauza bathu uri ndichini diva namsindisa ni diviti abantu babili batangana they would tell a different story
about you
mutu uri no tanga dingwathi yodika yesikho ayambina mutu and then like
no ini ndibononga ni queen food into nchimana ini queen Ntambe is worse Ntambe bangasibudzise chitu shopon like where can I find what
you do to then more good with this
no let's say mara you can go to YouTube ininga jena macron atho that chiwana ngobona macron ndunga pani for example
no net ndiyakunda totometa
ndikwamba zvezvo nisakochiwana no ndibutsa ndikadiro jena I don't want to look for anything hi ma'am sorry where can I find shop ndaisiwa I'll 12 ndaya why ndikotiwa ndiko ima ungandishuma zvikwine upiriso jena nganti ndikotoda into kana ndikoda gunubu niyaza gunubu macro
nyamwe jasho pinda mini jana amnango range pasi magumone arketa so
I don't have that time
ngachingona chingu
atinye kujena shopuni unless I'm doing groceries ara ndikotorenga shushti tinye kujena shopuni more than 5 minutes
mara we should mean like mara nane
I don't like being there atifunu baon
okay is it indela zunda arikambo fana msikuti right happy birthday like what do I do in that moment that's the
thing ndivandikoita so
inkombudzo ri like ndikaifuna podcast uko shumiwa so then
ndivandikozwa arikozama
oh I know it this was good I
do you think ndiyashona no mbona ndikoshona
insodo inofa bad
zvinongoita kubudza shanga lothe
everyone should know man I feel like now is not going to sorry ngopera bada say no tetavani
bada na ngwa those are the two things that I can't stand
and height and static water na matu emoto dzi ngazisezeli
yeah
atro nditwabona matu angashikotevela ninge zve chilasi panje yakunyita matu atevela
so ini zvemboniwera kala watu vanopfi vangaita nto do you believe zvinhu zviri madhifu avidza mini
nambiza madzi
Oh shit, that's crazy.
So ngosandira Ranjini madha wakita magabelo. That's nice. Madha ku move, I see them.
So inini ngasi a boat cruise.
Damuni ngobona madha wema. So yamurute move anne ngori madha one ano decide.
Ani inandoni?
Ndima mraw blind.
Chombo ngasidzura pala no bona iri nera riyo nganyezi ivu uri redira madini
ngoma.
Chifaro what?
I would.
Habeni ni toilet like you see water here.
Ndere una rufu amakuru angati afithinga afukorengwa khobe makova. So you have to cross this other tiny bridge. Apala zvino utangana mini madhi aesthetic.
Nice.
A black. So atikonzo nazo ri aga. Ndivani kwa basongoti dzori madhi ogumagayi.
Nina msindichidiva atikunobambira unikana ahafa ndikudonovera.
Zvikungopisa ndindikwamba.
Yeah, you are a bad. So niso chance yakabada because mwana muna chitu chao. Neyanga yabada it's crazy business man.
Ane madin height ibva panda che.
Ti?
Angina ndikori nanyo kuzironi last year. Ndicheka room. Everything was nice. Nichitora ka balcony na ubona pasi.
Nara kantseva.
Lord.
Ndopachifina kumita zuri matina notobidzwa ngafaba.
Ende wotombidza pasi. Ndivandisa kutoya nemu.
Yeah.
What if that?
Ndandisa believe you know when we went camping once ndikomangala ndikubona vamwe mntu wogwadama tsini na madhi like so so then ndikomlora ndizvithu ndibsiku what's going on. Oh yeah, it happens a lot. So mumwe avakwamburi zvino mumtu avakwamburi no una vati vane madhi aya vavidza so vachisvika vatiyotuma vaamberera so that doesn't happen because abere vari kuedera tsini na madhi richiko camp so vatiyotuma vaamberera uri no wara and I'm like wow.
Do you know what I would do? Maybe na way with it I would do it. Ningasendela tsina madhi like ndivendela nchori atindothe na mimi.
Hey, mara ni nothe.
Here's another thing too also. Swishino lo ndichile of blind ti. So I had that thing ori ndikochimira swishini ndi akoro dobverera mutu ti. But then uchibvera mutu and then I'm now relieved at least atindothe swishini. So I'm like wait, that's a dumb thing.
Yeah, that's very dumb.
Ndikoporo udoda mutu anitachi mara ndichibona mutu ndiyataka ori at least atindothe swishini. What if one
Nanzo be like if someone dies do Nancy have enough fear that person would show up?
That's the reason ndachibva chikoloni ndisijene nduni aino nevachendetanzwe plate ndichiuya chikoloni ndikadhiva ndinoti ndisitanzwe vachivaona uniform yetsuka ndandikana mada kondero ruiwa dan ujena nduni hayani because kufunga wala mtu olovawo ndomo wanodzira hayani
muntu wane oba mashaka hanu olovawo
wandateka we vanavo
nezvino possible undertaker like I remember when my great grandmom passed on it took me so long ndisakonotamba ndindoti just and I remember rine ndiyoniyo vesikhuluma so I mean ndi bathroom ndachidozo kitchen ndingange mara ndisakonova ndoti bathroom because I would be so scared and I was a kid man but then now I'm okay now I feel like if I was to come across my late best friend I wouldn't run. I wouldn't run. Let's be honest.
I'm now okay. Achao, no problem. Mara
Ningashabe.
No way.
If it's a person you love, ningashabe. Probably ndibuzo AKA.
Kante vele ntuni. Kante vele chedzani.
No, arikwamba zvashishi. Arikwamba zvabude. Let's say ndikobva zvino downstairs ndichiri ndiwanda tangana naye ndichitopedza steps ine apa landa parking.
Ndina 3 years ndisatotoba I think.
Really?
Like let's find so chair we can chima chat. Ndatoba mtu because even now ndikati umra chipato cha mtu anendo mtoba ende grade 1. All the time.
Okay.
I'm like into the details as to ando to walunji.
No, mara tina nkonya ngobona. Na utama.
Kuje group. Ajera group ndajera naende.
Amana ni nozise chile chirati chano chikazvita.
Ndachikonola sauko.
Ufana ito lawali that's when chizoni kumkaidza ini. Niyafana. So I don't know man. I don't know. But you know I don't think because also with my late grandmom this was ndandonova varsity. Tibox libya yani. And all that was very close to my room. I was very comfortable ndandi right I even took pictures. I still have pictures. I'm okay.
Yeah, I know.
Ningasikone. I guess are umutu mumwe wamomdini anendo fofyolo wa next door ndikagidima. But if I was to see my grandmom ndaro ndichijana ndonenda vana vodzura kama mbudzi I know she's not going to hurt me. She wouldn't hurt me. That's my grandmom. So let's talk. What's the story? Still story.
Like I was saying.
So maybe then ningasiye ini like hey who's seen uchiko bulungiyo.
Nuchikita me.
Nichiko clean now something.
Why?
Yeah, the bad
Nendo
I wanted to go alone. My granddad was like it's not safe. What? Nenda ngaya.
nana mavida ndishipira ti after acoustics and poetry aitwa kama this ndo accompany mafinyi makato uzira pasi ngange amangirasi so ndina this other guy obrayanga ofe are then rikosvika mutukura
are ndichivela chitso chadhaga chachikubudziziwa ngeka dzicomment section
chikutodisina arina mutu guys
udodiyambera arina
mutu udodiyambera so richikopirira unge mavidhani so ndatotozidza tungo so I'm like I'm not gonna look at the graves not usiku worst case
what would happen
I don't know is an idea like so the chuisa
na paranoia
akomba na focalistic
achirumira
paranoia
ako paranoia
yeah
I was 2 years old when I found
so mara no man madini zo ndingasendera if ndinga bathu cause I'm like okay
this is
and ndichiko jena wadoita nthu anangendo upfa ambore kuti mara kuchitoropedza fana think yeah
kutoteya
and then ndazo okay wafa donkoko ziva komunendu kama ngasindichiwe ndukama ndi
nereni ichara kamzi wabambela
ebo
and then I put in and then net kunobambela so I'm just gonna let you go
and I can swim do you think it's too late for me to learn how
no it's not too late
I need to learn how to
yeah get classes
ngazama marita chipinga ti
neti kunobambela izvilo zviri
atikoni
akusikira so
no ndoreda nthu ndingandobva hapana sikapolo rina mkono
ndizvone zvena kamburino yakona
ndandisazviiti
okay it's meaning niko good
and kharadzi anga wakonobambela zvo zvinombava
yeah
ndimtukukhanne and then ndorwa una milambo
mara nasayo ngori nacho pamadiozi oima pasi
petuti namoni madaba kuita nthu
omulambo ndi nthu not
mulambo ndi river
hai
damulo nene
ende vatu vachiye zvilo zvito vaijebe vanji
ndachenda vandokuima ndishina kupozwa enda gidima
ti ende vatukana vyo ndamba rafu
that's straight
ndamba rafu
so hey that's just how things are
vatu
mara watu very bzinzi fear dzewenepo mara fear zodalesa if mean phobia yanu
yangwa
yabada
itidi mara yangwa ndivononga ipira yabada because bada at least ndiyarenga mandi yapedza ndopira ngwa ndingasipira dude nendaisana ndandisi sana transport yo comes yodzula panda hayo hapa ndaibona 112 yo ima pala ikulidza bere yo ndi hapa ndoima isikugidimedza muntu yotodzula I wouldn't pass up until uchifia anti pamthoma mpelekedza no it's for me it's serious like no I can't even do a puppy dude that's how deep it is like it's crazy
so but let's just sikomboza mina lokamba so che ori so njena zvita nyopo zina vana sokufunga is just you can't out there there's so many people even cut comments
nido fakadzi comments vatu vadoamba like dzimwe fie dzine ndingazifezesa
and open me of the wood ngwana hope is of the wood
open
I scared of anything
hakuripa
zvidura
okay
nyanga vantu vachidura shirata
neti tozviita mara zvitukundi hatina problem emta ngwa I am terrified dude ninga mfela kutungu nambona ndiko pangwa it's bad it's crazy and now it's a problem because my little siblings vadzifuna mara ingasiveone because of me
and what's wrong with you and dogs are you scared of dogs or what was I told you
just like one
mara like I don't know uri auna therapy dzine like you can take comes when you tomanga I don't know but I want to overcome it because I don't think it's normal man it doesn't sound right for me
bonisa damuni varitani so sedzani
bonisa damuni
ndikoto ambori ndaya therapy
vamfara I'm sure there's a way izvo zvingashumini maniko ndiyangotofosiwa nemara ndivona ngambia kamsi vanganitomanga rutuku vantu ei marana I think what terrifies you know what nazvo ndivenga pati atiyopulumiwa the fact that ndichitu chine asi mutu ende chikofema it's now like for me it's like I don't get it so nachimangere asi chikone I can't touch chimwe na chimwe chine asi mutu but it's breathing I'm like why the hell are you breathing bro so I can't ende zvinomuraro wadzifuna naye kunyangoirenga but zvambori friendship yogumisa zvezvi it was good when it lost it
hey so then enough about this was the hallucination that we're talking about Venda kuita mini
why
the NP200
you know ndova ndikopfa ako make a sense mara also ndandikoona uri atingopfa
give me the background
no I saw a poster
And who was he
a
fighting?
post muchidzi mumudzana mvimji she sells headboards.
Mfuranga sells headboard.
Yes, and then ndinaika
She's
Facebook.
also a teacher.
She's a teacher.
Wait, so they're both teachers?
She's a teacher.
The headboard teacher.
Oh, I didn't know. Ndinaika Facebook mandi ndomfolonga zvo headboard sidivi zvinhu.
No, that's a coffee in the blood.
Oh, ndo it's really too hygienic.
Oh, hey, Mara, she came for her. Hey?
Hey?
She came for her.
What happened?
Hola ati dive orimini mara oamba something ga ba baby ba till you know hola uzira kwamba nga ba baby ba we like you follow her, right?
I know.
Mukondi.
On blog.
Why?
Hey, story of another day.
Let's talk about it.
Block you, I'm sure.
Let's talk about it. Okay, imani ndo chize ndichipedza. So ndombudza. Hola tizvo orimini.
Mara rea amba katapo.
Oni block mara ni amba.
Blog ka Instagram and everything except it. Not normal udandi kumsearcha. Then okay, she's not popping up.
Nano comment or something kasitoda we. Ndizvo zvino.
Rea divana blind.
From home. Oh, be university nti.
Yes no, I know.
Okay, cool. I read it. So I don't know what the other person said. Mara zvitonga zviera na miawe kana uri uzura kwamba ngave bebe wabolo vao kare whatever, I don't know.
Play the pity card.
Yes, and maybe it came from that because somebody don't put my mom in this, don't put my parents in this, yada. That's when the attack started. And funny enough, mchidzi yangu chapindura from there. Ndo yaka Facebook yonde kwa toda bedela mafungu aunga, like she went silent. No, she didn't say anything about it. Or we. And then ndabandi kubudza ndakuzonyama ntabe ndikuri hey ini yo Maraya, she came for her. Tabe grande senda mtakera because apparently Mukondi is also a bully. So I'm like, okay.
Yeah, I remember she had that case here episode before ya cyberbullying.
Abero ndiene.
How change got ambuza about history? Hey, what we family me? You think
really?
Call someone ugly?
It's wrong. Cause okay, in the opinion ya no mara. Nipo nongari nichizviamba zvikodoitani. Like I don't get it when you tell people just know it because it's very unfair for you to state something I can't change. Okay,
NP200.
You get what I'm saying? But don't come to me and say okay, what am I gonna do? Like kananari you look fat, okay? So now I must go. No, Mara must go run because you think I look fat. No, unabatu bane namusi usi fat ya obesity. Unabatu bane bafuna utangana na ini and they have nothing good to. There are people that just don't have anything good to say. So we are trying to cut that because ndari telling someone obipa is your own opinion. That's crazy business. Because you go do mwana mwambe jinafuna. Someone will meet you as a Korea, you look darker for nothing.
Have you seen ugly people?
Huh?
Have you seen ugly people?
I don't know. I guess no. I've seen not so good looking.
So you can on a scale.
I guess so. Nichko obipa nichko compare na mutu mara ayete uba right. What when on tsanga pesa mic? No, like but I'm just saying they just never have anything good to say, and which is a very bad thing. Okay, mara like manda otu na mtu robipa ni wana guy. For what? It's insane, which tells us a lot about Ini as a person because you are obviously not happy with yourself because Ini being a jombro for people then would say where is it coming from? Like it's for me it doesn't make sense. Ula obumbudza munga social media uri ugly.
Yeah, I think that's what she did, right?
And mara
ashkora na ofini sweetened melanin kana.
Ndupiyo.
Ai yanobona podcast zamrao. Na episode kazi tin ya nepa. There's an episode where we spoke about it.
Oh, Mara, and she does have a lot of confidence, which is good for her brand. And
Mara I feel like confidence yawe is that that's what I've seen about her.
Would it intimidate a lot of people?
Not intimidates, and I'm not to issue me against other people. Because not when they feel intimidated, that's your problem. Mara, anyone the whole and sometimes
confident. I think that's all I can say. Because I've seen a video where she was driving the new car. I think I had one trailer guru, and then she was like the bands. I think she was like, yeah, nisongo slow it down. Like, as in, vazana batoma usheka or something. Watch kubona akopira kanti. It's a girl that's driving it. You know, I'd like to say she's confident. Although I'm just wanna so tongi samara. I mean, you know. I just think she's confident, and if it's working for her, I mean, she saw that fucker kind in TikTok in anything. Do you get it? So if it's putting food on her table, then
hey, and then Zonzo namtendi. Do you see what's happening there?
Hola dala comment.
Everything was done up until mtendi poster inventory nenkaono nazama advice akaono ni mini.
I'm even starting to think that relationship is just for content, and what they're gaining some. Okay, maybe it comes in for business. I don't think it's that deep.
Hey, will you say that's deep? Nazantu
It's just deep. Ngori nanjirombona ka video chikori. Nipengo sama ndisela mtu hanga babavuni.
Oh, zvinopala auto muhaga. Abe is a picture of what?
Don't you think she's doing it for marketing? Apola mtu kurengisa. Mia mopi baza kupusha jitu. She has skin what was not usually.
Oh, wait, Zonzo is addicted to skin solutions.
Muri ndi dermatologist.
Yeah, Zonzo is one actually. So
I really feel like it's just for her brand, man. She's, you know, because Mutende Singwana, and I feel like followed her for years. So she's been in the game, bro. She knows. That girl drives a Mac. She's been in living Makwani. Like, I don't think Zonzo Adamu Pingisa. To me, it doesn't look like that. If it's like that, I'm disappointed. But to me, she looks smart. Like, she looks really smart. I feel like she's doing it for her brand.
Yeah, so guys, Facebook, like I was about to say, Facebook, what could deep and hey,
every story.
Also, later cool game. I was like, don't do macro tamba game. I was like, I want you. It allows different games at TikTok. Now allows enough. You have 3 seconds to answer this on TikTok. You want to I'm like, it goes to so I want you to name these car brands. You know,
and they're growing. I don't think I agree, but let's go.
I was like, yeah, it's much better and better to name transit DVT.
Okay.
So, what?
VW.
I am in your way.
Volkswagen. Ford. That's Johnny. As a Ford. Ndiye funny. Ni mini ya beshi.
Subaru.
This what you get.
Okay, this one.
Lambo?
Yeah.
Ndio nini?
Yeah.
I need to go to this is Subaru.
Oh, Subaru good crown, man.
Seriously?
Yeah. And then this one?
Toyota. Come on.
It looks so easy. Until just made
the Toyota Mera. Maserati?
Maserati. Tesla.
You.
Tesla.
And they were Tesla Mara.
If you don't know this one. They Ambani.
Hyundai.
Really?
Hyundai. Hyundai. Hyundai.
What's the close spelling of it?
HY.
Not spelling, pronunciation.
I don't know. Oh, not the very guy of Kuma.
Hyundai, and then this one. Come on.
Mazda.
Hey. Last one.
Alfa Romeo.
Dude, how did you get this one?
Because I know Alfa Romeo.
Guy, one of the Alfa Romeo again.
Yeah, one of my aunts has an Alfa Romeo. Oh, they're like,
Fistos dangaipio.
Ni, fistos.
Guys,
fistos one amus.
Fistos one amus dangaipio.
Bara muti. Odangan.
Oh, what muti?
Badi.
Oh, damn.
I know the time ever. Yes. Love my coffee black, honey. I'm not entering for dead.
Anyways, guys, do you have anything to say?
Sip
and paint.
Oh yes, sip and paint. Yeah, I'm still waiting for people to buy more tickets, but anyways. T. Hey, yeah, I'm not obvious. I don't see, but yeah.
Weekend.
But a lot of people were going to no, carry 25. I'm like, no, guys, this time around, I'm not going to close them as early because the day before. So if there's anything, I can do it here. As funny, let's bring a dandy CEO, yeah. So no, don't worry guys, I've got you. So oh, and also I'm gonna be doing like bottomless mimosas this time.
Okay.
So even it's like you're gonna be drinking the mimosa.
I'm already drinking non-stop.
Yeah.
Man,
So
it's nothing.
what you
Non-stop mimosa. I'm just saying. Yeah.
So yeah, that's what we're doing because Rekoita Nabane comes oranga ticket Marokumbro Ukodwanila cocktail in Tiawas Chena, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. So that's what's up.
So yeah.
On
guys,
the 30th, yeah. 30th of March,
March.
Saturday, Dar es Salaam.
Just after the Good Friday. So it's a good Saturday.
Yeah, Good Saturday. We should have called it Good Saturday.
Why not? Tiny planning none.
Hey, no yearning into the post you know to caloration or chilla sponge.
Because you didn't chilla sponge.
Do quit now on something cold, yo.
And you ring begin pay safe out of Varazun.
No, I ain't going somewhere soon.
Martiva.
Don't know panther. No, come on, anything cold, not chilla sponge. So I'll get whatever I need to shake.
Oh, okay. In that case, guys, Renee with Daniel.
We are
this producer behind the machines. What Morocco look. And then
Abajuluge.
So yeah, out of us doing as I was still saying, if not netanga we penda na mini after to anyone massage yawe pasia town hall. Town hall kadishima.
I don't know
Hey.
Tikari ndisafiri pairing ange. Maridio shuma. Mtu angachata Nepal.
Ai. Tonga stadium.
Ai, town hall uchichatiwa kale mtha. Kana mtu navaji vuko chata technical au kaoro. Kana cheza.
Na cheza.
Yo wina. Ubu mara.
Oh, it can't be free.
Yambadira.
Can never be free.
Mara mshondi tuku compared to Wolira.
Of course.
Oh, ni amar ni adim nyanya.
Grade 1. Bye guys. Oh, so like at the end what I did to go get your massage and then you're now leaving the studio now. It's studios empty. If you wanna contact them 082-936-6317 42 minutes trip Bramford in Johannesburg. So yeah.
Tumani jaburi ujiliwa nijiko chata ya somebody fifa mta wa chata ka grade 2. Wako lela grade 3.
Vamu na daya ka grade 7.
But muchatira tu kwa office ya principal.
Never die ya. Wachedza noge. Don't have to really.
Ningu ina to place mnyanya batu.
Tiba tu achibachata. Zero just nje.
Zweni kusamura.
Adavale rumbona.
Uchikhedza producer.
My producer Mike Ambani bifinga mokumba.
Yo ita 15 minutes zopuma.
Guy.
Hii enda ndo yumbera.
Kadi sisi. Acho ngomba na zenda. Bona.